The MQ-9 Reaper, a name that strikes fear into the hearts of adversaries. This unmanned aerial vehicle, or drone, represents a significant leap in military aviation. Born from the success of its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator, the Reaper entered service in 2007. The need was clear: a more powerful, more capable hunter in the sky. The US Air Force turned to General Atomics, the company behind the Predator. The result was the Reaper, a drone that would redefine modern warfare. The Reaper is bigger and more powerful than the Predator. It dwarfs its predecessor in size, with a wingspan of 66 feet compared to the Predator's 48. This allows the Reaper to carry a heavier payload. The Reaper can stay in the air longer, with an endurance exceeding 27 hours. It can also fly higher and faster than the Predator. While the Predator was primarily used for surveillance, the Reaper added a deadly new dimension: hunter-killer. The Reaper is a technological marvel. It's powered by a Honeywell TPE-331 10T turboprop engine. This gives it a top speed of over 240 knots. The Reaper can reach altitudes of up to 50,000 feet. Its primary sensor is the multispectral targeting system. This sensor suite allows the Reaper to gather intelligence day and night in all weather conditions. The Reaper can carry a variety of weapons, including Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. Reaper's reach, global impact and operations. The MQ-9 Reaper has become a cornerstone of US military operations. It has seen action in numerous conflicts, including the War on Terror. The Reaper's primary role is to provide persistent surveillance and strike capabilities. Its long endurance allows it to loiter over target areas for extended periods. This provides commanders with real-time situational awareness. The Reaper's ability to strike with precision reduces collateral damage and minimizes civilian casualties. Evolution of the Hunter advancements and upgrades. The MQ-9 Reaper is constantly evolving. General Atomics continues to develop new technologies and upgrades for the drone. These include enhanced sensors, improved communication systems, and increased payload capacity. The Air Force is also exploring the use of artificial intelligence to enhance the Reaper's autonomy. These advancements will ensure that the Reaper remains a vital asset for years to come. The future of warfare, Reaper's enduring legacy. The MQ-9 Reaper has revolutionized modern warfare. Its development and deployment have ushered in a new era of drone warfare. Drones like the Reaper have become indispensable tools for militaries around the world. The Reaper's impact extends beyond its military applications. It has also proven valuable in civilian roles, such as search and rescue operations and disaster relief efforts. The MQ-9 Reaper is a testament to the ingenuity of American engineers and the evolving nature of modern warfare.